Are you mechanically inclined? Do you like solving problems and working with customers? Then consider becoming a gas fitter. Gas fitters install and maintain natural gas and propane equipment, such as home furnaces or industrial boilers. Gas fitters may work for utility companies, propane distributors, or mechanical and service companies. To learn more, we spent some time with a gas fitter.
I'm Cheyenne Fletcher. I'm a gas fitter, and what I usually do is respond to gas odor calls and carbon monoxide calls. We get called out from the fire department just to make sure that everything's safe for the customer. We check appliances and make sure everything's operating safe. We install gas meters and service the gas meters, make sure everything's working properly with them as well. Someone would typically work indoors and outdoors depending on the job that they're doing. If you're doing a lot of outdoor installation of gas lines or gas meters, and inside you would be doing a lot of the appliance checks, appliance repairs, searching for gas odors. So it's a little bit of both inside and outside. I'm home-based, so I have a computer in my van. I keep my van at home, and I go into the office if I need stock or if I need any of my equipment or anything like that, any paperwork. And the rest of the time, all of my calls are just downloaded, so it tells me where to go, or else I'm in contact with dispatch, and they'll tell me where I'm supposed to be. Safety is a major part of our job. We need to make sure that we have all of our PPE, which is safety glasses, hard hats, flame retardant coveralls, steel-toed boots. We do carry monitoring devices such as for gas detection and carbon monoxide detection as well. Some of the tools that we need to know how to use in our job are just your basic hand tools, your screwdrivers, your pipe wrenches, just anything like that. We use multimeters for troubleshooting any of the gas appliances. Certain instances we'll have to use gauges to actually test the gas pressure. When we're doing outside meter work, that's when our pipe wrenches come into play, pipe threaders, cutters, all that sort of thing. So there's a wide variety of tools that we need to be able to use.
A good hire would be someone who's willing to apprentice, willing to work the hours that are required. A utility is a 24/7 operation. There's many different types of jobs within that utility, and we work under all sorts of weather conditions. We work in the rain, the sun, the good days, the bad days. We have to have people have some great communication skills, because as a utility we're dealing with our customers as well as in some cases their appliances and their gas meters.
As a gas fitter, you are by yourself a lot of the times, but there's bigger jobs where there's 2 or 3 or 4 gas fitters required. Working out in the field is an important part of learning. That's where you learn most of your things. You come into contact with a lot of things that they can't teach you in school or that they don't have in school. As an apprentice, you're usually with a journeyman for the first little while, and as you gain more knowledge and gain more confidence, then you get out on your own a little bit more. Being a gas fitter, there's a lot of advancement opportunities. Once you're in service, you can always go up to foreman or supervisor and eventually manager. A lot of people just really enjoy being out in the field, so they'll stay service and stay working out in the field. I typically work Monday to Friday, 8-hour days. If something comes up and I need to work longer, then I'll be working longer. Weekends, sometimes we're working on weekends. I do cover for the emergency crew, which is sometimes I'm out working night shifts. But I get my evenings and weekends off, which gives me a lot of time for just hanging out with my friends and playing with my dogs, and it kind of lets you unwind and get out there and relax, get some exercise. If someone was considering to be a gas fitter as a career or an occupation, I would just recommend job shadowing. Just get to know a little bit more about what it entails. I really enjoy my job as a gas fitter. Every day is something different. It's challenging, it's rewarding. You get to meet so many people, and I plan on being a gas fitter for years to come.
To become a journeyman gas fitter, you must find an employer who's willing to train an apprentice. You will apprentice for 3 12-month periods for a Gas Fitter A Journeyman Certificate, or 2 12-month periods for a Gas Fitter B Journeyman Certificate. Each period of apprenticeship training includes on-the-job training and technical training. If the gas fitter trade interests you, there's more information available, including educational requirements and salary ranges, in the occupational profiles on ALICE. You may also be interested in the related trades of plumber, sprinkler systems installer, or steam fitter pipe fitter. Learn more on the ALICE website and make the most of your future. Visit us at alice.alberta.ca.